Yo fam. Welcome back to AI Hustle Network, your go-to channel for making money and creating content with the power of AI. If you've been searching for free tools to create stunning videos for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or even your client projects, you're in for a treat. Today, I'll walk you through 3 amazing free AI video creators you can start using in 2025 to make faceless content effortlessly. Whether you're building a YouTube automation channel, creating shorts, or looking to start a side hustle, these tools will level up your game. Stick around till the end because I'll also share a secret tip to make your videos stand out even more. Let's dive in. Tool number 1, Pictory.ai. First up, Pictory.ai, an absolute game changer for beginners looking to create faceless videos. Pictory is perfect for YouTube automation and other content creation. Here's how it works. You paste your script into the platform, and Pictory automatically generates a full video. I'm talking stock footage, animated text overlays, and even AI voiceovers, all done for you in minutes. You also can tweak the clips, fonts, and transitions with a super simple editor. You wanna know why Pictory.ai stands out? Free trial available, test it out before committing to any plans. Perfect for automation, great for YouTube channels, shorts, and even client gigs. Beginner friendly, no video editing experience needed. Pro tip, Pictory also offers tools for auto-generating subtitles, summarizing long videos into bite-sized clips, and creating branded content for businesses. Even though free plan has limitations, watermarks are applied, but it's still great for practice and experimentation. Paid plans start at $19 per month if you're ready to upgrade. If you're creating motivational videos, explainer content, or even top 10 lists, Pictory.ai is hands down one of the best tools to get started. Seriously, it's a must-have in your AI toolkit. Tool number 2, Canva AI Video Editor. Next up is Canva. Now, most of us know Canva as the go-to platform for graphic design, but their AI-powered video editor is next level. Here's what you can do with Canva: drag and drop video clips, text, and animations for a polished look. Use pre-designed templates to create reels, TikToks, shorts, and more in minutes. Utilize AI-powered features like text-to-video, where Canva generates video ideas from written text. Add transitions, music, and even AI-generated voiceovers to make your videos pop. Why Canva is a great choice: free plan available, start today without spending a dime. AI-powered templates, perfect for beginners who want professional-looking results fast. Versatile for all platforms, ideal for short-form content and thumbnails. Collaborative features, work with teams or clients directly on the platform. Pro tip, use Canva's brand kit to keep your content consistent across platforms. For even more customization, the paid plan starts at just $12.99 per month. Tool number 3, V.io. And finally, let's talk about V.io, a fantastic free tool for short-form content creators. This is a fantastic free tool for creating and editing videos online, especially for short-form content like YouTube Shorts or Instagram Reels. Here's what makes V.io awesome: upload your video, or start from scratch. Use AI to auto-generate subtitles in multiple languages, a game changer for reaching a global audience. Add animations, transitions, and AI-generated voiceovers to elevate your content. Access a library of stock footage and sound effects to enhance your projects. Why V.io rocks: free plan available, test its features with watermarked exports. AI subtitles, perfect for improving accessibility and engagement. beginner-friendly interface, super easy to learn and use. Export options, multiple formats optimized for different platforms. Pro tip, Pictory.ai also offers a handy background noise remover and video compressor, making it ideal for creators working on the go. Paid plans start at $12 per month, unlocking more features and watermark-free exports. And there you have it, fam, 3 incredible AI video creators you can start using right now in 2025 to level up your content creation game. Whether it's Pictory.ai for faceless YouTube videos, Canva for all-in-one designs, or V.io for short-form content, these tools make creating professional videos fast, easy, and, best of all, free. Why not combine them? Use Pictory to create your video, Canva for designing your thumbnail, and V.io for subtitles and final edits. Which one are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. While you're at it, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI Hustle tips, and join the AI Hustle Network fam. I'll see you in the next video.